Hey you guys, so today we're shopping, okay? It's another shopping video because you know your girl loves shopping, okay? I saw these cute and affordable home decor pieces and I just had to show them to you, okay? So the other day whenever I went to Pop Shelf, I recorded and showed you guys some 4th of July stuff, right? And girl, if you haven't checked it out, make sure you go and watch that video to see the first look at what's coming up for 4th of July. But anyway, let's get back to it. So I saw these home decor pieces, right? And when I looked at some of these pieces, I was like, it's giving Crate and Barrel. It's giving Pottery Barn, okay? It's giving, what is that, H&M Home. They have like a section with some decor and stuff. You guys, these pieces are so quality. Some of them were so heavy and sturdy feeling, and the prices were right, okay? Look at this piece. This piece was only $15. You could easily find that in one of your higher end home decor stores for 30, 40, 50 bucks, okay? But at Pop Shelf, it was only $15. Now look, I'm sorry. If you don't have a Pop Shelf near you, I feel your pain, okay? Because before I moved to Texas, I didn't have a Pop Shelf near me, okay? I didn't even know what the Pop Shelf was until I went to it when I got to Texas. But I know there are locations in quite a few different states, okay? So hopefully you have one near you. And if not, hopefully you know somebody who's in a state that has one and they can get you some of these pieces and ship them to you, okay? But it's such a fun little store. And if you don't know about this store, the store is actually owned by the same people who own the Dollar General, okay? Which then made me think about it too. And I was like, you know what? You all could probably find some pieces that are comparable to these pieces in the Dollar General, okay? But what you have to do is probably look past, those carts with all the stuff that they're trying to put out on the shelves, okay? Because I'm sorry, I have to keep it real. I have to keep it honest with you guys, okay? Whenever I would go to shop at the Dollar General, it always looked like a truck just came and all the merchandise was getting put out in the store. And so usually I would be like in and out and usually grabbing things like, oh, I just stopped here because I don't feel like going to a bigger store and I'm grabbing some chips or just a quick drink or like a quick gift card or something like that. Because now I must say they do have a lot of options when it comes to gift cards and stuff. Whole little section right there, okay? So it would make it easy for me to run in, grab a gift card, grab a regular card, get in and out, okay? But just the whole aesthetic of the store and the layout of the store and how it was kept would definitely make me not really pay attention to all of the little home decor items that were in the store, okay? So it's something about this Pop Shelf that's, it's laid out different, and every time that I go in this store, it's like it's neat, it's clean, everything is out of the way. And even if the workers are putting out something, it's not just like all over the place, okay? Definitely the locations that I've been to, they are doing that thing, okay? They are on it. The store is nice and people are always speaking and asking you if you need help, not in like an annoying way, but like in a good way. Self-checkouts and stuff, it's just giving, okay? And I felt like this home decor was giving and I wanted you guys to see it, okay? So if you don't have a Pop Shelf, maybe check out the Dollar General and see if you see some of these pieces. Let me know down in the comments below if you frequent the Dollar General or something and you've seen some good home decor pieces that seem quality at these price points, okay? Let us know, share, let's help each other out, okay? Let's share info because that's what I want us to do. This channel is about showing you guys stuff and helping each other. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up, like, comment, and subscribe. Subscribing is free, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.